Hi everyone! Today, we are going to show you how to draw a snowplow step by step. Grab a pencil and paper and let's get started. Step 1. Draw the body. Grab your ruler and draw a rectangle. Now, round off those corners. Step 2. Adding a cabin. Draw a smaller rectangle on top. Remember, round those corners and erase the dividing line. Step 3. Add the flue. Draw an exhaust pipe using your ruler. Draw a couple of rectangles. Before we continue, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Details about our products and services are in the description below. Step 4. Adding the window. Draw a rectangle, round off the corner, and make it snug on the cabin. Step 5. Draw the wheels. Draw the front wheel, back wheel. Different sizes but equal height. Keep it balanced and erase anything that gets in the way. Step 6. Time for the holder. Draw the diagonal lines, a rectangle. We're building the foundation for the snow tray action. Step 7. Draw the snow tray. Draw a square, round off the corners, and add a curved line for the snow tray. Step 8. Refine your snowplow. Add some details to the snowplow. Step 9. Adding color. Grab your coloring supplies, make it vibrant, and bring your snowplow to life. We hope you enjoyed learning how to draw snowplow. The more you practice drawing, the better you'll get. And don't forget to check out the video description for more on our art tutorials and services. And let us know if you have any other vehicle requests. Thanks for watching.